Hey TCL crew, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, hello and welcome. Today we are going to be making some tasty smoothies, some of my favorites. So smoothie number one. Alright, so we have avocados, spinach, strawberries, blueberries, and carrots. We are going to be using apple juice today. You can also use water. I tend to use a mixture of both. And some ice. And I'm going to be using my Ninja Bullet today to make my smoothies. And I always use the big cup because I have a lot of kids who like smoothies as well. So go ahead and press it.
Huh?
Go ahead and press it. All right, and as you can see, I'm putting the spinach in last because spinach doesn't take much when you're blending it. So I always put my spinach in last. Sit here then.
Give me some.
Press it.
Are my mom?
The top one, this one.
That one?
Yes. So as you can see, once you add your spinach or your veggies, it does change the color of the smoothie. We have bananas, strawberries, spinach, carrots. We have our sun gold kiwis, and we have dragon fruit. All right, so this is for smoothie number two. We're going to be using orange juice. This smoothie looks, it looks so pretty, but just wait until we add the spinach. It does change the look, but it tastes just the same. Number three, we are using kiwi, strawberries, blueberries, bananas, avocado, and this time we are using kale. So no spinach, kale. I am adding sea moss to the smoothie. Don't mind the writing. That was my son. And we're using apple juice today. Using 1 scoop of the sea moss, and trust me guys, it has a lot of health benefits. I'm not going to go into that, but just research it. It does have a lot of health benefits that your body needs. Now this smoothie is nice and leafy green. The texture is going to be a little bit thicker with the kale, and that is why I put the kale at the very top so it can blend a little bit better.
Yummy.
And I only poured a little bit in my glass because I'm going to be saving the rest of the smoothie for breakfast for tomorrow. Berries, carrots, the sun gold, kiwi, and ice. And we're going to be using orange juice for this one as well. This smoothie is going to not only taste good, but it is also going to look good. All right, sea moss, and we are adding some, I usually use regular chia seeds, but I saw this and decided to give it a try. No more green, guys. This looks delicious and it tastes delicious. That was the last smoothie for today. And thank you guys for tuning in. If you watched this far, I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Peace out, TCL crew.